Hi guys, it's Fran here from See Make Play, and today we're going to be making an egg carton mask. For this project, you're going to need an egg carton, glue, paint, coloured paper, a paintbrush, pen, scissors and tape. To start off, we're going to take our egg carton and we're going to cut off this top part here. We're going to take our scissors and we're going to cut around. And don't worry if it's too messy, we can come back and tidy it up. So I'm going quite rough here because it's a bit tricky. And cutting it up like this, pop that to the side. And we're going to take this and just neaten it up a bit here. And I'm going to just cut that part off there. Okay, and then we're going to pop in some eye holes here for our mask. Okay, to do that, you take your scissors, now you might need a hand with an adult at home, and place it down on a hard surface and press gently into the egg carton like this. And there we go, there's one. And I'm just gently bringing the scissors back through and I'm twirling them, twisting them around, and then taking that excess cardboard off there, and you do again the same to the other side. And you'll end up with this section here, like this. Then you're going to paint this part white. That's your base coat, just one coat of white paint. And then you're going to paint the other colours onto your egg carton, okay? I'm going to paint this section in here orange today. So I've got my paintbrush and I'm going to just gently bring the paint through here. Take your time with this. With my one, I waited until each section was dry. So you might need to wait 10 minutes between each section. There's our piece here. Next, we're going to make our coloured paper feathers. We're going to use this coloured piece of paper here, and I've folded it in half, and I'm going to draw a shape onto here, like this. Almost looks like a little mountain. And because it's folded in half, it will come out symmetrical when I cut it up. And I'm going to add little triangles that look like teeth, okay? And I'm going to grab my scissors and I'm going to cut out our paper feather shape like this. And I'm just following the lines here as a guide. You might like to do a few more at one time. And here we go. Here's our paper feather. And we're going to have lots of different colours. Now, we've got our 3 here that I've prepared, and I'm going to decorate this with some collaged little pieces of coloured paper. I'm going to pop some glue on, and I'm going to pop our little collage pieces on like this. I'm just randomly placing them. I've got yellow triangles here. And I'm going to glue all of these feathers together so that they're ready to sit into the centre of my carton. Okay, I'm going to pop that to the side to dry, and I'm going to do the same with the smaller feathers here. One, a little bit of glue on the end of each little feather and bringing them together like this, and the one in the centre can go like this. Ready to pop onto my egg carton mask. So it's all dried and it's ready for our feathers. We're going to use some sticky tape here to attach these. I'm going to start with this side here. I'm going to pop them like this on the edge, and then I'm going to tape from the carton to the back of the feathers, and I'll put a little bit on the front this to keep it nice and secure, and a little bit here to the back, keep it nice and secure, like this. And then our final piece to the top here, like this. Pressing it in. And our piece of tape onto the back. Just gently turning that over. Popping the tape through the back. And here is our finished egg carton mask. Thanks for coming to See Make Play. I can't wait to get crafty with you again soon. If you'd like some more great crafty ideas, jump on to seemakeplay.com.au.